Hey guys, welcome to Toy Scouter. It's me, Toy Hunter, and today we have a giant Deadpool Play-Doh surprise egg. This egg took us 4 hours to make, so give me a thumbs up if you like it. Can you guys tell me what superpower Deadpool has? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Before we take Deadpool apart, let's take a closer look at him. He has 2 swords, a face mask on, and body armor. Check out all the details on this thing, guys. He has a bunch of muscles. Pretty awesome, huh? Let's start with his arms. His body. His dual wielding swords. And his face. Now all we have left is the green Play-Doh. Whoa, there's a bunch of surprises inside. I see some Avengers stuff, Five Nights at Freddy's, Transformers, Minecraft, Minions, and a bunch of others. Let's start with this one. Whoa! We got a Minecraft minifigure blind box. And it's series number 4, the Obsidian series. And on the side are all the characters we can get. We got a spawning spider. And it's a little spider trapped in a cage. Whoops. There we go. I hope he's not hurt. I'm kind of scared of spiders, so let's put this guy down. It's a Despicable Me Mega Bloks blind bag. And check out this cutie minion. Someone gave him a bunch of kisses. Here's the checklist. Let's take a quick look at it. And on the back, it shows you how to build them. It came in a bunch of small pieces. I'm gonna build it real quick and be right back. Alright guys, he's all finished. He's holding a bow and arrow, and he has wings. That's pretty awesome. I think he's dressed as Cupid, just in time for Valentine's Day. Pew pew pew. Hee hee! Now you're in love. Cool! It's an Avengers Age of Ultron Mystery Minis blind box. And it's a bobblehead. And on the back are all the little bobbleheads we can get. Whoa! We got Iron Man, or is this War Machine? He's blue, gold, and silver. Pretty cool. He has the Avengers symbol right there. And on this side, it's the number 2. So it might be Iron Man 2.0. Boing, 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 boing. All the heads are super awesome. See you later, Iron Man. Let's see what else we got in here. Whoa! We got a Funko Pop of Deadpool, and it's number 112. On the side, it says Deadpool, thumbs up. And these are all the other Deadpool figures we can collect. Here's the man himself, Deadpool. Boing, 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 boing. It's another bobblehead, but it's much bigger. He's holding a machine gun, and he's giving us a thumbs up. This thing looks pretty cool. I love the details on this thing. Do you guys think this looks better, or the Deadpool in front of the egg earlier? Let me know in the comment section below. It's another Deadpool surprise, and this one is a bracelet. Hey look, it's Hulk. Here's Deadpool holding two swords, and he looks like he's ready for battle. And the bracelet is all black, and on the back right here it says Marvel. So you just pull this out to extend it, put it on your wrist, and then pull this side to tighten it. There we go. What do you guys think? Does it look pretty cool? Let's see what other goodies are in here. Nice! We got a Five Nights at Freddy's blind bag, and they're figures with clips. And on the back are the 10 figures we can get. And here we have Toy Chica, and he looks kind of scary. He's holding a little birthday cupcake. He has a little bib that says, "Let's party." I don't know if I want to party with this guy. He looks kind of creepy. Ugh. And of course, here's a clip so you can put it on your backpack. Have you guys played this game before? It's super scary. Awesome! We got a WWE SmackDown blind bag. And it's series number 1. And these are all the figures we can get. Here's the checklist for series number 1. Let's take a quick look. We got Wade Barrett. He's super muscular and he has a beard. And check out his outfit. He has a UK flag on it. And his arms and legs are movable. Hey, yeah, he's doing splits. Brr, power driver. Brr, brr, brr. And our next surprise is a blue Deadpool. Check out how gigantic his head is. Isn't that funny? On the bottom, it's Beanbag, and his arms and big head is made out of plush. Pretty awesome. Do 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 do. Fight bad guys every day. Yoo-hoo! Whoa! We got a Marvel's Collector's Keyrings blind bag, and it's series number 2. And of course, on the back are all the keyrings we can get, and there are 2 exclusive ones. It's a potted Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy. He's this tree kind of monster thing, and he's super powerful. And he's best friends with Rocket Raccoon. Pretty awesome, huh? And here's a little keychain, so you can put it on your backpack. Do 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 do. It's a Marvel Heroes Chibi's blind bag. And on the back are all the figures we can get. Here's a little card we got, and it's of Juggernaut from X-Men. This pack came with 3 little figures, and the first one is Spider-Man. I think my Spidey senses are tingling. Our second Chibis is Daredevil. He's in an all-red suit with little devil horns. And did you guys know he's blind? Must be pretty hard to fight when you're blind, huh? And the last figure is of Juggernaut. He's a super big, strong guy. I'm the Juggernaut, boy. This guy's crazy. Can you guys help me count how many surprises we have left inside the egg? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got another Deadpool bracelet made by Marvel. This one's pretty cool. It's his face, and on the side are his swords. It's a little different from this one. Which one do you guys like better? And our next surprise is a Star Wars dog tag blind bag made by Disney. Here's the checklist, and inside are all the dog tags we can get. We got a dog tag of Rey, guys, and it looks like she's riding her motorcycle hovercraft. And on the back, it says Rey, Star Wars The Force Awakens, number 11 of 16. Whoa! I don't think I've seen this before. It's a Marvel's bobblehead blind bag, but they're pixelated heroes. And these are all the characters we can get. Before I open it up, can you guys tell me why Deadpool's face is all messed up? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. It's Ant-Man! Boing, 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 boing. He looks pretty awesome, huh? But isn't he supposed to be super small? Because he's an ant, right? Bloop, 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 bloop. This guy's super cool. But go fight some bad guys. Yeah! And we're down to our very last surprise, guys. And it's a Transformers Smash-Ems, series number 1. No way! We got Crosshairs! And he's super squishy! That's awesome! Blip, blip, blip. Bloop, bloop. He's gray, green, and he's wearing goggles. And the cool thing is, he's one of the good guys. Hey, stop squishing me! Blip, blip, blip. Blip, blip, blip. That's super awesome. See you later, Crosshairs. And we're all out of surprises. Out of all these toys, which one was your favorite? Mine was the Deadpool Funko Pop. I thought this one was super awesome because he has a giant head and the design is cool.